Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. I'd like to show you how you can log into your Instacard digital business account and also make edits to your digital business card. Once you are at this screen, go ahead and click Continue with Google to sign in. And once here, go ahead and click Advanced Editing. Now that you're here, you have the options to edit anything on your digital business card. So from the Informations tab, if any of this information is incorrect or you would like to make changes, just go ahead and put your cursor in that field and begin making those changes. Once you're done, click Save at the bottom with each time that you move through the tabs at the top. So now that we're done with our Information tab, we clicked Save. And you can come back up here and click on the next tab and make any changes that you would like to the images by clicking on the camera again and go ahead and click Change Image and choose the image that you would prefer to use. So for here, we'll grab another headshot of Scott and choose Save. Once you're done, again, just remember to click that Save button before moving on to the next tab. You can also make edits to your actual Instacart homepage, the link that you share. This little slug at the end can be edited, so you can click the edit pencil and begin making changes there too. And click the check mark when you're done. And that's instantaneous. So you can go ahead and click Website View to view that digital business card, and your information will be there. It may take another second. There it goes with the headshot that you just updated. So it may take just a couple of seconds to see it, but it is pretty instant when you have those changes made. We'll go ahead and navigate back to our Instacart account here. We've saved this page and now we can go on to links. And if you would like to add additional links, you can click the More Links option here. And maybe you want to go ahead and add in like your realtor.com profile. So you would just choose that from the links available here. So let me just hunt and peck for a second. There we go. Go ahead and add that link. And maybe you want to also add your Zillow profile or even your Google business profile. You can add those on. Once you're done adding those links, you do have an option to remove a link here as well if you prefer to. We'll click the X at the top and show you that you also have the option to delete those links right here on the right as well. So we'll just say that we decided not to add those extra links. And when you're done making those changes, go ahead and see if you want to swap the order that they're in. You'll notice that updated on the preview to the left. So you can grab the little navigation arrows here and change the order as well. So go ahead and click Save when you're done. And last but not least, we'll go over to our Bio tab here. And you can go ahead and make edits to your bio. Notice that you do have some editing options here at the top. Maybe you want to bold it. Maybe you would like to add a list for bullet points. You can go ahead and begin adding that in. And again, several different options here for editing the font. And you can also add hyperlinks into your bio. Click the hyperlink here. We'll go ahead, let's actually get our link in there. Let's say we want to add this particular text as a link. So we'll go ahead and click the link and save. And there's the link. We can also come in and edit and change that to an actual website. So it will be an active link. There we go. And click save. And now we just have a hyperlink right here in our bio that will go to our website, as well as an image and videos. So you can get quite creative with your bio here on your Instacard. When you're done making these edits, you can just come down to the bottom and click Save. And that's it. Congratulations. Now you've edited your Instacard. If you have any questions or run into any issues while you're trying to do this or with anything to do with your KW platforms, you can always reach out to us. We would love to support you in your business. You can reach us by email. That email is support@scottleroymarketing.com. We'll be happy to help. And thanks for watching.